Hi guys, we're going to show you a simple way to propagate palm seeds using the Baggy method. All you need is a Ziploc baggie, some growing medium. This happens to be Sunshine Mix 4. Pro Mix HP works good. It's basically peat moss with a bunch of perlite in it. And evenly moist. The key is to keep it evenly moist, never sopping wet. Okay, so Ziploc baggie and some growing medium that's nice and light, a seed starter mix, and a felt pen. So I harvested some seeds a couple of weeks ago on the mainland, about 2.5 weeks ago. They were totally green. Okay, when I harvested these from some 30-year-old plus palm trees we planted over 30 years ago. Okay, so they're producing seed, so I pulled some seed off. They're growing in zone 8A/8B, about 25 miles south of Vancouver, southeast of Vancouver. So you can see they've turned black now. All right, there might be a couple of green ones in there. Like I said, you harvest them green when they're ready, and then they will turn black if you bring them in. Let them dry properly. So, Baggy method, we got the growing medium in here. Raul's going to put the date on it. What is it, the 21st today? I'm going to put Tracky. Put the palm species on there, and I'm just going to put 8A on there so I know they are from the palm southeast of Vancouver. So we're going to dump the seeds in the bag like this. Seeds are in the bag now. I'm going to zip it shut, and then I'm going to shake it around. And I've done videos on this before. I'm just kind of making another video for new people that have joined in on this channel and want an easy way to propagate seeds if you live in a cooler winter climate. And, well, your house is warm, so they're going to germinate in your house. So shake them around so they're evenly distributed. Do not put them in the sun. Okay, seeds can germinate in the shade, in the dark. Do not put them in the sun, because if the sun's hitting this, it's going to heat up the bag and it might get too hot. So I'm going to put these upstairs in our hallway where the heat rises, because we have a wood stove, and at room temperature, they will germinate. I've germinated thousands of seeds using the Baggy method. And be patient. Be patient with all palm seeds. So these are Trachycarpus fortunei, Chinese windmill palm seeds, and we'll give you an update on these things when they start to pop in this baggie. All right, so that's how it's done. That's called the Baggy method, and you can germinate all types of palm seeds in it, and even other species of seeds, as long as they fit in the baggie. All right, so no need to open the baggie once it's sealed. Once they start to sprout in there and they get like a little leaf blade on them, you know, then you can take them out and put them into liner pots or 4-inch pots. All right, anyway guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos here on this channel. Cheers.